tutorial. You all must know this editor.
The test is simple. Remove your hand from the box, and you die.
What's in the box?
Pain.
The CC is awesome, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make this exact type of CC on CapCut. Before we start, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started with the tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please drop a like on the video and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.